Okay, so now let's put this sheet onto the table. Now, those of you who have worked with 18mm Baltic birch will know that it's very heavy. So it's pretty hard for me to put that up here by myself. Or is it? Now, I have put our door and panel support platforms on the front of the outrigger at an equal distance down from the plane of the work surface, in this case 25 inches. And so we're going to set that on those and then simply pivot it up. Now, because this is a somewhat sharp surface on the front of the outrigger, we don't want to damage that plywood. And let's say you were using something nicer than that, walnut, whatever, you could be at risk of damaging it a little bit, scratching the back side. So we have put our team of engineers together and come up with a solution, which we call the dashboard plywood protector. You can see this is an advanced piece of technology. Now what you're going to do is just set this right here on the front of your outrigger to protect the material as you pivot it up over. So let's get this. And of course I can move it like this, just slide it along. Now I'll just lift this up onto one support and then get it on the other one. So now it's ready to go. And now it's just going to pivot over. And there we are. No damage to me, no damage to the material. Plywood protector.